Good morning. Today is January 26. Yeah, it's our third day. So my tinsmith is working on the floor panel. He's cutting the floor panel for repair. It's a rainy day today, so we'll see what we can do. So we have to replace the under panel to regain its strength and integrity. So we have to replace this one. So the structural integrity is really weak due to its longevity of use. 56 years, so we really need to replace the under chassis of this one, I mean the under metal of this one, to regain its strength and integrity. of dirt. So we decided to take everything off so we could enhance the integrity of the chassis. We need to clean this and repaint the inside as well. We really have to completely replace everything underneath, because the strength and integrity is not good anymore. Totally replacing everything underneath. Going out to buy some steel plate, 2.7 to 3.0 millimeter. See you later. It's very gloomy outside. Going out to look for a 3.0 or 2.7 millimeter steel plate. Catch you later. So here we got the 3.0 steel plate and some other stuff like bracket and braces for the project. So here it is. It's been cleaned and will be treated with rust converter later. So we'll do we'll apply rust converter later to eliminate the rust, then paint it with the epoxy primer. Okay, so this one was replaced already, but we need to change it to a bigger bigger or thicker plate. A 3.0 plate will be replaced here, and cover. Ipapasok din or something. Basta itabi mo lang. Alam niyo naman kung saan yung tinanggal, no? Okay. Application of rust converter. Okay, so we have mounted the body to the body frame holder. Anong tawag dito? Brace. So we could align the whole chassis because ano yung sukat doon? So 88 1/2.
Tapos yung nandoon 89 316.
89 316. So there's a little bit difference on the frame. This one is pushing inside, towards inside. The other one is pushing outside. So we're going to balance it, repair everything. That's why we put a brace on it, so we could align it. Yeah, align now. Yeah, perfect alignment. So this will end up our day for now. Please like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube page, and I'll update you with the development of the Bugeye Beetle project. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have comments or suggestion or question or whatever you like want us to hear, please do comment down below for positive or negative suggestion. Let us know about it. Thank you. Bye.